Put the rapid on. Can't even hear it.
No, doesn't even register.
Absolutely zero spindle load. We're up at 14 metres a minute, 0.4 depth of cut, 25% step over.
It's not very exciting, is it?
I bet you can't even hear it. It's a bit boring.
Yeah.
So, what we're doing?
Let's go over 20 metres again.
Over 20 metres, right. Let's go. Wow. Slight programming error. But I've maxed the machine out 150% feed and we're up at 22 metres a minute.
Oh, there we are. Not bad.
I couldn't have made that any faster. So, if you've got something if you've got a small pocket, shallow pocket.
Yeah, I mean, what we're doing there on the machine is not a real world component. You'd never use a 10mm cutter for that size of component. But what we're just showing you is you shouldn't be frightened to push the tool. That's a strong little tool. That's a proper little animal for metal removal rate, and that's what we're here for.
Well, 10mm, 2 teeth, 21 metres a minute.
Yeah.
0.4 depth of cut. There's not much more you could get, which would be faster for the size.
No, that's making you money. That's making you money.
So there you go. That is making you money. Love that. So, why are you wasting M mils? High feed.